Everybody wants a big subscriber list, but there are some times when you want to remove subscribers, especially if they've been on your list a long time and they've been inactive. The longer a subscriber's been inactive, the more chance they're going to end up marking your emails as spam down the line. First, let's check out inactive subscribers on the subscribers page. Under search options, we're going to choose No Opens, and then have it since 30 days ago. We're going to add another field then, and put on date added, and the date is added on or before, again, 30 days ago. We can see that these people haven't opened any of our emails. From here, we can just delete those subscribers using the Actions tab. So remember, keeping your list clean is just as important as keeping a big list. Until next time.